Hi, this is Venkat. Good to see you again. Today we will talk about three monkeys story. Three monkeys were sitting on a tall tree, about 100 feet tall. One of the monkeys actually decided to jump. So, how many monkeys do you think are left on the tree? Make a guess. Two? No. There are still three monkeys on the tree. Why is it? It's because they only decided to jump. All the monkeys did not jump. One of the monkeys actually decided to jump, was very adventurous. It told the other two monkeys that I am going to jump. And the other monkeys actually watched with a lot of curiosity and excitement, wondering what their adventurous friend was up to. And they asked him, "Are you going to do it?" And the excitement started building among them. And the adventurous monkey actually said, "Yes, I am going to jump. And I will show you how brave I am." And then as this discussion was going on and a lot of great suspense was building in, the other two monkeys actually waited for their friend to take this daring move. But as moments passed, it became evident that the brave companion was still sitting there and contemplating whether to jump or not. The second monkey became very impatient and started encouraging the adventurous monkey, saying, "Come on, what are you waiting for? Just go for it. You can do it." The adventurous monkey hesitated and replied, "Well, I just thought, maybe I could do it later." There was a third monkey, which was probably the wisest among the three of them. It said, "I fear we have witnessed a human trait here. Humans also make grand plans, but often fail to execute them." "What do you mean?" asked the other two monkeys. Well, the wise monkey began saying that many people have good intentions, they make decisions, but they struggle to implement those plans. They actually become paralyzed by overthinking, or they have a fear of failure. The first monkey actually nodded in agreement, recognizing the truth in the wise monkey's words. It said, "You're right, I've seen men on the ground doing the same." "Precisely," said the wise monkey. "They become masters of making plans, decisions, but when it comes actually to take action, they falter." "But what's the use of deciding to jump if you don't jump?" questioned the second monkey. The wise monkey, smilingly said, "Intent without action is absolutely useless. Getting started and taking the first step is very critical, to any form of success." "So what do we do?" asked the adventurous monkey. It was now determined, So the wise monkey said, "Make a beginning. Take small steps. Take steps by preparing yourself to jump. Take a deep breath, visualize the success, overcome your fears, and then take action." Hearing this, the adventurous monkey got some courage. It took a deep breath and it leaped gracefully from the branch of the tree. The other two monkeys cheered, inspired by their friend's bravery. So they were full of joy that their adventurous monkey has actually succeeded in its adventure. So the lessons that were learned by the monkeys was, making decisions and plans is fine, but one needs to have courage to act upon them. And with this newfound determination, they decided to face their fears in other areas and embrace the power of action. They knew that with every leap they took, they would inch closer to their, the desired success. Now, dear friends, what are the key learnings from this short story? The first learning is, intent without action is futile. The story highlights the importance of making plans and decisions, but the key aspect is taking action to achieve those goals. Merely intending to do something, without following through with some kind of action leads to basically stagnation. So, taking the first step is crucial to turning one's aspirations into reality. The second learning is, overthinking actually hinders progress. The story basically indirectly points out that overthinking and fear of failure can paralyze us from taking action. The adventurous monkey hesitated because he was contemplating about the jump, too much. Similarly, many of us hold back due to the doubts, or the worries we have, and miss out on opportunities, for growth and success. The third learning is, taking small steps leads to progress. The wise monkey advised, the adventurous monkey to take small steps. This advice basically teaches us, to achieve anything which is monumental, one needs to start taking smaller steps. And as we go along, we build the confidence, and we achieve significant progress over time. So, starting small, building momentum, would propel us towards our life's objectives. Now, with this we come to the last segment, which is the questions for you to ponder over. The first question is on, the reflection on action and intent. Reflect on any recent decision you have made. Just think whether you have actually taken necessary action to bring that decision to life. If not, what might be holding you back? And how do you think you can overcome that? That's the first question. The second question is on overthinking and fear. Think of a situation where overcoming or a fear of failure has actually prevented you from pursuing your goal, and how you can adopt the monkey's lessons to overcome those barriers and take action. And the last question I have is, taking small steps for progress. Consider any goal you have been contemplating. Just think and list down the small steps you can take today and initiate progress. And how the story's message could be actually put to use, so that you could infuse your decisions with the power of action. Now, if you like this content, please click the like button below. Also, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you will get a notification as and when a new video is posted. That's all for today, and this is Venkat signing off. Have a great day. Bye-bye.